Quite possibly more than anything else, money affects survival. Survival in society, that is. This is why financial stress often can feel very overwhelming. When we worry about rent, food, debt, bills, or job security, any of the basic foundations for what is required to survive in this society, the nervous system can remain in a constant state of tension. And this is because underneath the modern financial systems is still a very old but very real and breathable biological reality. Quite possibly more than anything, we as human beings need this stability to feel safe. We need the trust to feel safe. So having financial insecurity can create a chronic state of uncertainty, distrust, leaving us on shaky grounds, to say the least. And as a result, we begin calculating constantly. Which inevitably leads to overthinking, emotional imbalance, leading to stress, tension, a nervous system misaligned from its natural, harmonious place of existing. Can I afford this? What happens if I lose work? What if prices rise again? What am I supposed to do? Over time, this psychological load becomes exhausting. And modern life often intensifies this through continual comparison. We are all surrounded by images of wealth, success, luxury, productivity, creativity, momentum, trends, every single day online, in the high street. And this can create an illusion that says everyone else is financially secure and financially happy, except from you. But many of us are carrying the same invisible financial pressures. Regardless of what amount we have in our back pocket. Understanding these money systems and seeing them as that more clearly can help reduce stress and shame towards not only our relationship with our finances, but the relationship we have with who we are. Many financial struggles are not simply individual failures. They are heavily shaped by wages, housing costs, inflation, debt systems, economic cycles, the social standards of living, and broader structural pressures within the foundations of society itself. These frameworks don't remove personal responsibility, but by observing all of these aspects, wages, housing costs, inflation, economic cycles, the framework of how society operates, can help us create more of a clearer and more realistic perspective. Helping us to realize that we are not alone. And even with this simple realization, we can allow ourselves to feel a little less stressed about our financial situation and our life in its entirety.